Etsy seller and e-commerce consultant Cindy Baldassi recently shared one concerning example over on LinkedIn, showing how faulty AI puts consumers and sellers at risk by showing inaccurate search results. She related the story of Etsy seller Marmalady, who received a one-star review from a buyer who says the lemon drizzle cake they purchased was advertised as vegan, even though it had eggs in it. In responding to the review, Marmalady clarified the listing includes a full ingredients and allergens list, which does include eggs and milk products, but Etsy's poor search algorithm may nonetheless show non vegan cakes in explicit searches for vegan products, with sellers having no input or ability to control the results.